how to find someone's TikTok account. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the homepage of TikTok, where you can view the reels that are shared on TikTok. From this page, you need to tap on the search icon at the top right corner. Then, type in the profile name in the search bar. You might find the person in your recent searches or suggestions from TikTok. Tap over their name. You can see that the profile has appeared. Tap on it to visit the profile. As the profile is private, you cannot surf through their posts. Follow them to enjoy contents from them and comment below their posts. Once both of you are added, you can send them DM as well. So, by following these steps, you can find someone's TikTok account. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.